ka surjong pi ka thongjangi.
Kajing akan ada hakasan himasima kaladang jur Hamidhalia hadin kajing jaba shirkai tamjong kajila ha kakamti ya kipardoya. Kalyang persya kaladawa ban penhiar syuki ya menteri rangba kajila pangrat ke sama halor kajing kathebom kabadon kajing ya dei ba kajing tisu yang pian ha is giant hills. Henry na kalyang usumbud menteri rangba uperstone tingsong ulakentat ya kani kajing ya dawa da kabaong baka day tangka politics na kadaw kasan himasima. Ulapan paru baka sorkar kan siyem ya kajingkit kli kabapura bat ban pentik na ban siyem ya kila jing ya da ki bakam ting e ban khanglat ya kum kini ki kamle rian ha kalawe.
I think you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that Prestone also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing. We take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately.
So is there any update from the ground? Is this just rescue operation still going
well,
on?
yes, the operation is still on, and right now no recovery of death or something. But still, of course, we have asked the concerned personnel to still see if there is any more trap or any more dead bodies, so that they are on the ground.